morning, guys. This morning we are in Goynuk Canyon. It's in a national park about, say 25 minutes south of Antalya. And not the sunniest day, but that's good. A little overcast keeps us from dying in the sun today. It's a cool breeze going through here. And the views are just epic. Look at these rock cliff mountains all around us. Check this out.
We got to the canyon, we parked our car, and then we walked about 1.5 kilometers out to this canyon out here. Absolutely beautiful. A little swimming pool that you can go in. But down there they also have a raft that you can take into the canyon, and then they have things called canyon safaris, where you go canyoning through the canyon. They also have zip lining here, which we haven't seen anybody doing, but I mean, it does look like a really good place to do it over these blue waters. I mean, it's just beautiful. But now we're just headed back to the car. And they got those things if you're feeling lazy today or drank too much yesterday.
How clear that water is.
The size of the fish. It's freezing. Definitely got to come check it out, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends. See you next time.